What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw PEELY from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So on top of his head, I'm gonna draw a hexagon shape. So I'm gonna draw from the center point here, a diagonal line to the side, and shorter on the right side, and from both ends I'm gonna draw a diagonal line slightly downwards, and I'm gonna mirror the same top shape at the bottom part right here, and on the lower points, that is this sides 1 2 3 4 sides, I'm gonna draw a line down, short lines on the sides, and I'm gonna connect the bottom points together across, and on top of that hexagon I'm gonna draw a short line at that point and another shorter line at this point and another one on top, and from the outer points below that hexagon I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and on the right side here, and I'm gonna stop right there. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up, and then with a semicircle turn I'm gonna make a turn down and out with a curved line, and I'm gonna turn it sideways and back up, and with a semicircle turn I'm gonna turn it back to that point right there. Now in this peel on the side here, I'm gonna trace the outline across and to the top, and behind on the right here I'm gonna draw a curved line to the peel right there, and I'm gonna draw another similar line in this section right here, very close to the outer line right there, and below the peel I'm gonna draw a curved line continuing down to the side of his arm, and for the one on the left side I'm just gonna redo that line, and I want it to be more straight downwards, yep, something like that, and I'm going to continue that line all the way to the bottom part, and I'm going to make a turn to the right and stop there for now. Now for the right side I'm gonna make a curved line right there, and from the inner point I'm gonna draw a curved line out and down for the arms, and then I'm gonna make a turn at the elbow point right there, flare it out and back in towards the wrist, and for the inner line of the arm I'm gonna draw a curved line down from that point. I'm gonna do the same thing and make it to the wrist, and from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left and down, and semicircle turn at the tip and back up, and sharp turn back down to the other fingers, and I'm gonna make some turns to the tips with a semicircle turn right there and back up to the side, and from the wrist, the outer point of the wrist, I'm gonna draw a line down and turn it towards the finger, and I'm gonna draw the other finger at this corner right there. Okay. Below the arms I'm gonna draw a curved line down, And then from this point right here, slightly inwards, I'm gonna draw a line downwards to the knee, to the point behind the knee. And for the front part here, I'm gonna continue this line with a curved line, turn towards the knee, and I'm gonna draw a diamond shape for the knee, right there. And I'm gonna continue the line of the leg up to the left side of that diamond. So for the other point of the leg, below the knee, I'm gonna make a turn out and back down to the ankle, and then I'm gonna make a line below the knee down to the ankle right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the left and back down to the front of the shoes. And on the right side, I'm gonna make a turn straight down and with a curved line to the left side of the shoe. And slightly above that bottom line, I'm gonna trace the same line across right there. Now for the left leg, I'm gonna do a similar shape as well. More of a sideways, so for the front part of the shoe, I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the front right there, and then turn it down at the tip, and I'm gonna make the back part of that leg with a curved line right there, flare it out below the knee and back down and slightly out at the heels. And then from the front part right here, I'm gonna draw a line to the back with a curved line, and then I'm gonna make a turn slightly up and back down and back to the heels. And above that, I'm gonna draw across a curved line all the way to the back. Now for his left arm, I'm gonna take this point the same level as the right arm, a curved line out and down and then back out, and then from that point slightly inside below here, I'm gonna draw a line up, and then I'm gonna make a curved line outwards and up, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn for the thumb and back down, and I'm gonna make a sharp turn up to the fingers and turn it back down at the tip, and we're gonna copy the same shape across, except for the last finger. I'm gonna make a curvy sides for that finger at the side and extend it all the way to the side of the palm, and then I'm gonna make it turn it down, and I'm gonna turn it back at the elbow point. Now on the left side of his head, I'm gonna add a curved line right there and a turn on the tip on top and curved line on that side again, and I'm gonna copy the outline on that side right there. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw on the right side a circle or shape, and on the left side I'm gonna draw a slightly oval because we're looking at it sideways. And for his mouth, I'm gonna draw across a line for the top part and a curved line, a semicircular curved line for the bottom part. And inside the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the tongue. Now we can draw a line across from the top tip of the head all the way down. So I'm gonna do that in the middle of his face there, all the way down, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the bottom, and on the side here we're gonna take at the peel right here and all the way to that point right there. And at the side I'm gonna add a few curved line like that, and also at this point and on his shoulders. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.